Hello everyone and welcome back to Thailand. Woo! We're back. And I know you're wondering why I'm so excited. I'm getting my hair done in a couple days. Yay. This is an ensemble, honey, until I can get with my girl Tennille to snatch these edges and make it all better because my hair looks so crazy. But once I get my hair done, I'll be sure to show you guys in the next video. Hey! Oh, okay. So anyways, let's get in to our craft today. I'm gonna pull you in a little bit closer so you can see what we're making and we can get started, okay? Now that we are up close and personal, let's get into this craft. I'm so excited. So we're gonna be making the Stay Fancy cup that you see here today. I'm gonna put my hand in it just so you can see the words. It's on the front and the back with some glitter on it. So the materials that you'll need for this craft is a cup, and I got this from Dollar Tree, and what I love about some of the Dollar Tree glasses that they have is the saying is already on them. So if you don't have a Cricut, the vinyl's already on there, because if you bought the vinyl separately, it would be about $10 to have words on the front and the back. So this cuts out time. And then on the bottom of some cups, it has the barcode. And instead of scraping and soaking, I like to use this Goo Gone that you can get from the Dollar Tree or you can get from Walmart. You just put it on there, leave it for about 5 minutes, and then scrub it off with soap and water. It cuts down the time and I just love it. You will also need some of this glitter. I chose rose gold. This is by Martha Stewart, but you can choose any color glitter that you want. And then you will need some glue. You don't need this much glue, but you do need a bottle of glue, and then as well as some Mod Podge. And you can put these glasses in the dishwasher, but the thing about it is the glitter will be okay, but the words won't. So I definitely recommend doing washing these dishes by hand. So let's get started with this project, okay? So now the first step is to put a little bit of glue in your container, and then we're going to put a thin layer of glue on the bottom of our glass, and I'll show you how to do that, okay? Now that we have our glue on there, we are going to add our glitter. All right, so you're gonna allow that to dry upside down, and soon as it is dry, you're going to add another coat of glue and glitter, and then you're gonna let that dry. So this is drying right now, and this one was already pre-ready for us. So this has 2 coats of glue and glitter on it. So after that, we're going to add our Mod Podge on here to seal it and give it a really nice finish. So I'll let you watch me do that. All right, you guys, we are all set with our beautiful project, Stay Fancy. All you have to do is let it dry and then you'll be ready to use. See you on my next video. Bye.